Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to discuss a problem related to quadratic equations. The question is, if square root of 19 minus 8 root 3 is a root of the equation x square minus ax plus b is equal to 0, where a comma b are rational numbers, find the value of a plus b. Now we need to find out the value of a plus b, and here a is coefficient of x and b is the constant term in the quadratic equation. Now to get the values of a and b, first of all I need to know this root, right? If you observe carefully, so this 19 minus 8 root 3 is a binomial surd. To find out the square root of a binomial surd, so we need to make it into a perfect square. So now let us see how we are going to convert this particular 19 minus 8 root 3 into a perfect square. So if you can write it in the form of a perfect square, then that square and square root gets cancelled, then we are going to get the square root value. So square root of 19 minus 8 root 3, I can write it as square root of 19 minus, so this 8 I can write it as 2 times of 4 into root 3. So why I am writing it as 2 times of means, you know that a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, so you will be getting plus 2ab or minus 2ab, so that's why this 2 I am writing here. So I can write as 19 minus, so this 2 will be as it is. Now this 4, when I take it inside the square root, it becomes a square, then I can write it as square root of 3 times of 4 square, 3 times of 4 square. Then this 19 I can write it as, so 4 square is 16 and this is 3, so I can clearly observe that 16 plus 3 will be 19, and you are having a into b as 4 square into 3. That means this 19 I can write it as 16 plus 3 minus 2 into square root of 3 into 4 square. Now I can write 16 as 4 square plus 3 as root 3 whole square minus 2 into, so the square root of 4 square I can write as 4 into root 3. Now if you observe carefully, this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Now clearly you can write as a minus b whole square. So here a is 4 and b is root 3, so this I can write as 4 minus root 3 whole square. Now when I cancel out the square and root, I am going to get the value as 4 minus root 3. That means the square root of 19 minus 8 root 3 is 4 minus root 3. And after this we are having a particular relation regarding the roots. If the root is a irrational number, then its conjugate will be the other root. That means if one root alpha is 4 minus root 3, then beta, that is nothing but it will be its conjugate. That means it will be 4 plus root 3. So if alpha is 4 minus root 3, then beta is 4 plus root 3. If you know both the roots, then I can directly write down the equation of a quadratic, right? So what is the formula for writing the quadratic equation is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. When I substitute the values of alpha and beta in this, then I am going to have x square minus of 4 minus root 3 plus 4 plus root 3 into x plus alpha into beta means, so 4 minus root 3 into 4 plus root 3 is equal to 0. Now on simplification, what I am going to get, so this minus root 3 and plus root 3 gets cancelled, 4 plus 4 is 8, then I can write as x square minus 8x. Here it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b I can write as a square minus b square is equal to 0, which gives me x square minus 8x plus 4 square is 16 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now on further simplification, x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 3 is 13 is equal to 0. Now I got the quadratic equation. Now I am going to compare this with the given quadratic equation. So the given quadratic equation is x square minus ax plus b is equal to 0. Now on comparison, the value of a is 8, because here also we have minus, here also we are having minus. So in the place of a, 8 is present, so a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 30. So we got the values of a and b. Finally, the sum of a and b, which is nothing but a plus b, is equal to 8 plus 30. So 8 plus 13 is 21. Hence the value of a plus b is 21. Right? So for more videos, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.